Hi Aquarians, this is Dr. Avanii Rajadhyaksha. I am the founder of Healing Institute Infinite Healing, and this is a video where I will be telling you how will this month September be for you. So all the Aquarians who are born between Jan 22 to Feb 21, keep your ears open. Lovely. Let me meditate with my tarot and let me ask the tarot about the messages that it will be giving to all the Aquarians for the month of September. All right. Lovely. Nice. Great, 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 great. It's a good month overall for the Aquarians. It's a good month overall. Lot of celebrations somehow. I don't know. Maybe you have friends who are born in September. I don't know. I'm born in September, by the way. Yeah. So let me start with you might get an opportunity where a new source of money income will come to you. All right. So money is coming. So the overall trailer for the month of September for the Aquarians is you will acquire money from some or the other source. So just check that. Yeah, the opportunity will come just it will come from somewhere, just it will fall in your lap. So yeah, so if any opportunity that you are expecting also will come, because the expectation card has also come. So if you're expecting something also, it will come back to you, and a new money stream will start with the same business also, basically, or a new business or a new endeavor, whatever. The relations, there will be a lot of misunderstandings this month in relation, but I'll tell you, you will be also one of them. Okay, there will be a lot of misunderstandings, but you will be one of them. So you will be one of them who has misunderstood others. So before perceiving anything, before thinking of anything, before thinking or concluding anything about anyone, just think once that have you perceived this circumstance or this person right? Because what goes around comes around. Everyone is energetic, everyone is born spiritual, just that some people are aware, some people are not aware. So if you send an energy of hatred or misunderstanding or confusion, or just not fond of someone, the energy is going to hit the other person. If the person is spiritual, they might know how to deal with that energy. If the person is not spiritual, they'll repel that energy back to you. They don't know what to do with that energy, right? So everyone catches energies. So it starts with you, because you are also standing with one of them. So avoid misunderstandings, avoid perceptions about people, avoid thinking someone only has bad intentions about you, because actually people whom you are dealing with are of your caliber. So don't worry about that. If ever you feel that this person is not even capable enough to be my friend, no, he or she is capable. Just like you are not able to take his or her energies, you are not able to understand, and same vice versa. So if you are getting that experience, then you should stop your thought to stop the experience. This is my tip for the day. Yeah, for the month. Yes. So that is majorly about relations. Money is good. Money is good. Some property thing will come to you. All right. Something relating to land, property, that will come to you. Maybe an ancestral property or something. And you might get help from a person who is 70 above. You might get an advice or a help from a person 70 above, especially a masculine energy person. Okay, a woman can be masculine in energy, a man can be feminine in energy. I am talking about any kind of a masculine energy, a woman or even a man. So yes, so if ever you want to go for money advice, then choose an advisor who's 70 above. All right. Yeah, so money stream seems fine. There will be people helping you with money. And also that I told you the topic of the month of September was also money for you all. You will receive some new stream of money, some new financial growth will happen, and maybe this person will advise you. This is what I feel. Right, career is good, very good, touch wood. Very, very, very good. Career is good, health is good. Both are good, and I somehow see lot of celebration this month. Lot of celebration. Both the cards that I have got is a. This is also a celebration kind of a card. This is also a celebration kind of a card. So maybe you'll celebrate with your employees. Maybe you'll celebrate your new money stream. Maybe there could be someone's birthday or some wedding party or some whatever. Definitely a celebration month, that I am sure. All right. And anyway, I don't know why, but most of the people I know are born in September. I have my diary full from 1st of September to 30th of September. So, yeah, so maybe birthdays. Yeah, maybe employee of the month, or maybe something, some rewards that you get, or you'll be celebrating your new money endeavor. You never know. That's nice overall. Health is also very good. Health. Overall, mental health is good. All kind of health is good. And even if you are a little down, it will improve. So I see good health. I see good mental and emotional health here. All right. The only thing that you need to think, see that these are very, very good cards. I'm doing reading from Aries to Pisces, but these are very good cards. I must tell you. So you should take the best of the month of September, and you should party, have fun, and don't have wrong perceptions about people. You might start feeling that, see, I got a new stream of money, I got an increment, I got whatever, and now the other person is jealous, and he might not be jealous, but because you're thinking, the signals might go to that person and he might start feeling jealous. So don't do such kind of things. The only thing that you have to uh, think in September is, don't perceive others bad. No one is at fault and no one is thinking bad for you. Everyone is busy in their own world. So yes, health is also very, very good. And see, travel, you can travel. I mean, picnics, you can travel. Just like a little delays is what I see. So you get traffic, you enter Mumbai, and from Panvel there's 4 hours traffic. So such kind of delays might happen due to rains, or maybe festivals, or maybe whatever. So travel is okay, but then you should know pre-hand that you will face delays. So keep your water bottles, keep your tiffins, keep all other ingredients with you. And if you're traveling with babies and all, these delays really cause some irritability. So yeah, I mean, that's all really nice. And because it's the money month, I would suggest you should be burning. These are rupee candles. So you could burn that, or there are dollar candles, or wear a citrine, because citrine generally attracts money. This is a citrine. It looks like pukhraj. So I generally like wearing that, or do some codes with money. There is a success code. The success code is 2190, which you can write on your left wrist with green or blue pen. But just write it, and you see how successful you are. You could use this success code as well. You could use a money candle. You could use a citrine. You could use a pyrite, or you can consult us, no worry. And anytime you feel like consulting me, do contact me. And you know someone who's an Aquarian and would benefit by this reading, definitely share this video. Please subscribe to the channel, because I'll be putting such videos every month which will really help them. and you for that matter. And see you soon, and thank you so much, and have a happy September.